What's going on? Hashtag JRideReviews family. Your boy just felt like getting out the house for a little bit and driving something. So today we're gonna take out this 2023 Hyundai Ioniq 6, as y'all can see back here in the background. Electric, it's an EV. To me, it's one of the most stylish looking EVs out there all the way around. I mean, Teslas are nice, but these Ioniq 6s and all that, man, they just, to me, they one of the best looking. Let me get this sun out the way. There we go. But y'all check it out. We're gonna just, I already did a full review on one. Y'all can check out my channel. I have the link at the end of the video and in the little card section at the beginning and down in the description. I have it down there as well where you can click and see the full review. I'm gonna just take this thing out for a ride, a J ride, see what it's all about, give you my perspective, a full driving perspective on this one, not the going into all the extra. I'm just talking about straight driving it around town, on the highway, all that good stuff, and we'll go from there. Here she is. She's super beautiful, as y'all can see, in the gunmetal gray with the black leather interior. This is a SEL rear-wheel drive, got the 20-inch wheels, and this is a long range model. So y'all hang tight, don't go anywhere. We're gonna go for a ride, a J ride. Peace. All right, crew. Like I said, I want to take this 2023 Hyundai Ioniq 6 out for a virtual test drive. Just give you a driving perspective. Like I said, I already have a full review of one of these. I just felt like getting out the house. I felt like being productive and getting the video done. So this is Hyundai's version, one of Hyundai's versions of electrification. The Ioniq 6 to me is one of the most stylish looking EVs out there on the market. Teslas have been around for a while. They're proven. But as far as style, I would give it to these Ioniq 6. So anyway, we're going to go out here for a virtual test drive. First things first, as long as you have it's a proximity key. As long as you have the key in your possession, check out this sensation here. All right, so here's the start and stop button right here. Press it, foot on the brake. Nothing happens. It's quiet. So it's officially running. How do I know? The air is on. You'll probably hear it hissing a little bit. These dual screens, 12.3-inch infotainment screens, LED screens come up. Over here you have your driver infotainment stuff here, and over here to the right you have navigation with a reverse camera. Very nice touches there. And you got your sensors front and rear all the way around. Let's put that back in park. So drive selector for the transmission is this little stalk right here on the side. I don't know if y'all can see that, but basically you just turn it to the different gears, and to get it in park, you just press this end piece right here. So plenty of room everywhere. Cup holders. You don't have the transmission impeding anywhere, so it's flat floors. You have this extra storage down here underneath, which is nice touch there. Same in the back, flat floor, plenty of leg room. These things are super spacious, super stylish. You do have ambient lighting that you can adjust. I'm wind up doing a review anyway, even though I said I'm just gonna drive. This what I do, y'all. Big, nice metal speaker cover here. Plenty of storage here in the door panels. Ambient lighting, as you can see right there. It's not totally visible, it's blue, but you can change the colors on that. I love the screens that you do have a night mode as well, so these can turn dark if you want to. You have all kind of various safety features. Your drive modes is right here. There's normal, there's sport. You get a little red change of color there, and then you have eco for, you know, optimal mileage. I was gonna say fuel mileage, but it ain't fuel. So anyway, we'll just go ahead and put it back in normal. I'm gonna switch it to sport later on. And as you look out from the driver's seat, plenty of great visibility. The A-pills are small. The mirrors are placed and the side view mirrors are placed strategically to cut through wind. As you can see here, you want this vehicle to be as much aerodynamic as possible. So as you can see right here, you have this little gap here to let air pass through. Nice touches there. Let's go for a ride, y'all. I'm starting to get technical again. I guess I'm so used to doing car reviews that even when I say I just want to drive, I wind up talking. Anyway, there it is, going into semi-night mode. And here we go. Your doors automatically lock with speed, so that's headlights are off. Let me put the headlights on. And here we go. So this particular model is the rear-wheel drive, long range. It's got the 20-inch wheels. You do have an all-wheel drive model, which gives you a shorter range because you're gonna have more power, horsepower, I guess you can call it, or power, electric power. And just nice touches all the way around. So here we go. I'm gonna give y'all a turn circle test and go from there. It's just so quiet, super quiet. It'll fool you. So you do have regenerative braking when you slow down, get a little bit more charge back to it, and it's good stuff. Here we go. So quiet. It'll get you, I'm telling you. It will get you, because you're just expecting that sensation of noise normally, and with this you have nothing. So be careful, get a radar detector too. Y'all hang tight. Red on the road again. All right, so we're back rolling. These things are cool, so quiet, effortless power, tons of tech, tons of safety, very spacious. My legs are literally stretched all the way out here in the front seat, and the back seat still has good accommodations as well as far as leg room, hip room. Seats are very comfortable as well. So comfortable, man. So you got safety features like lane assist, emergency braking, cross traffic, front and rear, and this is just the SEL model. So you do have a limited model that has even more things. One of the touches that I noticed in the SEL that's different than the limited, I looked at a limited, but it wasn't charged up, and I noticed that the SEL has a power driver seat and a manual passenger seat, whereas in the limited both seats are power. Small touches like that, nothing major. The limited also has a front camera on it. These do not, and the limited has the 360-degree camera and the SEL does not. But not to say that the SEL is not very well optioned. There's a lot of standard options, standard things on this one that makes this one a worthwhile option to look at as well. So just something to think about. We're gonna keep rolling. This is the in-town perspective right here. We'll get up here on the highway, give y'all a highway perspective as well, and kind of go from there. Thank y'all for watching. Hope y'all had a great Thanksgiving. Be thankful. Motivational minute. Just be thankful. Say thank you, Lord. Thank you, Lord, for everything that you do, everything that you are, who you are, where you are in our lives. Thank you for these opportunities that you bestow upon us. Just say thank you. Let's have a whole weekend of thank yous. Thank you. Thank your parents. Thank your friends. Thank you YouTube. Thank you my business. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Gratitude is my attitude. Y'all hang tight. All right, real quick, I want to give y'all an acceleration run. Let's get it. So that's from the dig. Look at that quiet power. Jeez. All right, so I wanted to show you the lane assistance stuff. So here we go, hands off the wheel, and there it is. It straightens itself up. There you go. Lots of safety and tech here, y'all. Take a look at these things. There it goes. Corrected itself again. 2 thumbs up. All right, JRideReviews family, we're gonna take this thing up on the highway. I'm gonna go ahead and switch it to sport. Give y'all an acceleration test. I noticed that the steering did firm up just a little bit. This ride comfort is so nice, so flat. Look at that. Low body roll going around this entrance ramp. You do have Pirelli P0 all seasons on this vehicle, all 4 corners, so that's a nice touch as well. And here we go. And just like that, effortless power, really effortless. Wow, that got up really quickly. So yeah, I mean, you can't beat it. You can't beat it. Technology is here. It's a new day out here. This is the future. So JRideReviews just wanted to give y'all a perspective of the future. And as you drive this thing out here on the highway, plenty of power, plenty of pep in this step. It's just, you get looks. I don't want to look over to my left, but there's a couple driving a Challenger and they were looking. So you're going to get a lot of looks. Like I said, this thing is super stylish, super cool, and very powerful. We'll just have to get used to the adjustments of finding a charging station or charging it at the house. That's one of the biggest adjustments. We're on the, sorry about that, y'all. I cut myself off. Ripple bridge test, very smooth. These Pirelli P0s all seasons give you a nice plush reaction to the undulations in the road. Feels good. It's just, it's perfectly, to me, it's perfectly adjusted. The suspension, the steering feel got a nice firm feel to it. Just all around good package. This one is over at Werner Hyundai, Werner Genesis, Tallahassee, Florida. I'll have their information down in the description. Y'all can check it out from there and just kind of see if this fits into your lifestyle. I just like the style, man. I know I keep saying that, but these things are cool. So you do have sensors, like this car is in my blind spot, so as you can see, that little red comes up on the screen right there. And it's just cool touches all the way around. So this thing gets up so quick you don't even realize it. So here we go, getting off the highway. Just cool stuff all the way around. I really enjoy this vehicle. I know you will too. And here we go. Up here, I'm gonna give you a braking test. Low wind noise, low road noise, no mechanical. I'm talking about low mechanical. There's no mechanical noise other than these turn signals. It's a nice firm brake pedal as well. Regenerative braking. Cool. So yeah, as we head back, once again, I just wanted to give you a driving perspective on this thing. These things are super cool, super technology filled, a lot of safety, a lot of tech, great ride comfort, very comfortable ride, even with these 20-inch wheels. You get good distance from the charging on this if you keep it out of sport, because I got it in sport. I noticed how the charger mileage has gone down, but that's because I got it in sport. So normally you're not gonna have it in sport all the time. I'm just doing this for testing purposes. And whoa, car, get in there. So yeah, good stuff all the way around. Nice navigation screen. That's something else I wanted to share with y'all too. You do have 2 separate screens for the navigation. You can get this screen to go all the way across as well. And yeah, we wrap this thing up shortly. Y'all hang tight. Just wanted to show you this real quick too. I'm looking around, make sure there's no traffic. Even on a curve, this steering system still actually will keep you in your lane. So just wanted to show y'all that. So So yeah, we gonna get ready to wrap it up. It's just such effortless power, instant torque, instant horsepower, just very good stuff. So yeah, if y'all are in the EV market, definitely check out the Hyundai offerings, the Ioniq 6s and all that stuff, and kind of go from there. J-Bird in the zone. Come see Jay and the crew over here today, and I'm sure you won't be disappointed. We got a couple of them out here. I keep saying we, they have a couple of them out here. So let me give you a little preview. There's a black one right there, another black one right there. Actually, this one is hunter green. It looks black because it's getting dark. Black. Then you got your Ioniq 5s right here. You got this is the one I was gonna take out, but the low charge on it, that's a limited in black with the white interior. Nice touches. So yeah, let me go ahead and back this thing in and wrap it up. Thank y'all for watching. Again, I'm always thankful on this very thankful weekend and everything else. Thank y'all for watching. Thank you for being a part of the family. If you're not, hit that subscribe button, bell notification to all, and we'll go from there. Thank y'all for watching again. JRideReviews, we are in the building. Look at this high definition camera, and go from there. Got a phone call coming in. Thank y'all for watching. All right, I know I said I was done with this review. Had a phone call real quick when I was backing in, but anyway, I just wanted to show you this really quick. The gauges just went to night mode. It's getting dark, so as you can see, they turn dark black kinda, and it looks really cool. It automatically senses it once you have the headlights either in manual headlight mode, or if you put them down in auto and it gets dark, or you're into a dark place, a garage or whatever, they automatically do that. Just wanted to show you all that real quick. Thank y'all for watching again. Gratitude is an attitude. Hashtag JRideReviews. I'm gone. God bless you. God keep you to the next review. Thanks for watching, y'all. Peace.